Hi everyone. If you stuck on Bluestacks or not, if you found something stuck because of your heavy storage, so I will show you step by step how can you clear storage on Bluestacks. So first, go to your Bluestacks on your device first. Okay, so wait for a while until it finish. And then what you need to do is if you haven't logged into your account, so if you need to sign in your account back, you can sign in on your Eververse to here, my accounts. For me, I already signed in. Okay, so if you want to clear your storage on your BlueStacks, so what the functions are very depends on your device. I think for a Windows user, you can you can easily see on your right tuber, but for those who use MacBooks, they have to find other way. So how can you go to storage? First, try to go storage and my games on your left and then click your my games here. Okay, so after that, what can we see is Instagram Live, System App Stores, and Tender VPN. These are the applications that I download, Instagram Live and Tender VPN. So, system application is such a kind of setting session for your Play Store here. So, you need to clear your storage from here. So how can you do? Just click System Application and you can see five option camera setting, Chrome, Media Managers, and Play Store. So if you want to use cameras or not, if you want to go to your setting or Chrome's or Media Managers or Play Store, you can go from here. So to clear it, we need to go to our setting here and you can see your device personnel, booster settings, and your system. You need to go to device setting. Okay. And then click storage here. These are the current storage right now. So I use 11.72 gig for that. Here's the system is 12 gig and application 586 megabytes like this. You can see. Okay, so if you want to free a space, just click free a space and you can see if you want to view recent item like Instagram Live, Tender VPNs, and Android system keep verifying you. If you want to clear your storage, you can just click free app here. Okay, so many storage automatically is now free. Let's do manager automatically free SP by removing backend content from your device. You can also turn on this section. If you're busy with your job and school, you don't have enough time to clear your storage. You can also turn on your option manage storage automatically, and they will automatically remove. But it's not safe at all because this automatic system can remove your necessary thing as well. So here I just know change. Okay, so your storage is now um successfully clear on Bluestacks. I have a few applications, so I don't have a lot of GIF use. So for those who use a lot of GIF, you can easily create your space from here. So enough if you want to remove from each, you can also like this, go to your storage, Google Play servers, and then you can clear your cache like this. Mhm. Here's the app storage. Okay, so I only have a few. For those, if you want to free a space, you can do from here on off. If you just want to do from your applications and document that you have, you can just go to your applications. And if you want to remove Google Play service, just click it. And if you're sure to clear your cache, just cache. Okay, so it successfully cleared your storage on BlueStack. This is how to do. I hope this video gonna help you a lot for those especially who use MacBook rather than Windows because in Windows function might be very depend on your device. So thank you so much guys. See you bets.